Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can recreate Easter Bunny set for free in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to go to this area and then we're going to put on this jacket, this one, and then we can color it pink. I'm going to show you the color code. The color code is this one. Okay, and then I'm going to change the toggle to 2. Okay, and I'm going to make the second selection have the same color. Okay, and don't forget to make the texture glitter. Make it glitter. And the second one, we're going to wear this corset and color it the same. You can color it pink as before. Okay, use this color code. We're going to make all parts pink. Okay, just like this. And then don't forget to change the texture to glitter, but only the first selection and the second selection. Okay, I'm going to make it glitter. Alright, and then the next one, we're going to use item from the Valentine's update. I'm going to open this heart and then we're going to use this skirt. Alright, and then color the first part with this pink. And then the next part, this pink. You can use this color code. Oops. Okay. And then don't forget to make it a glitter. I'm going to make the first selection glitter. Change the texture to glitter. The first selection, the second selection, and the third selection. Okay, now it's time to move to this area and then we're going to use this ribbon and toggle it to 4. And then change the color to this. Okay, and don't forget to make it glitter. Okay, and this is the final result. And I'm sorry guys, sometimes the glitter texture is not working, but if it can appear, it will look more beautiful than this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate the Easter Bunny set for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!